All right.
Again, it
So
all back to the mental side of things. It's the entire business is mental.
interesting. So that okay. So what's that like? So since this entire business is mental, right? Let's say we have those insurance agents that are watching this right now, and they are in that same boat that we just described, where they're struggling, and they don't have that person take them under your wing, and they don't have that strong mindset. What is that mindset that you have, and what is like three key things? Can you expand a little bit more on the mindset part of things?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, when you're calling, like, I think you have to understand, like, one, what you're actually doing. A lot of times people will like they'll start making calls and they don't really understand like their job, right? Like what I'm actually trying to do.
Okay.
And so I think like mentally understanding like what's like before I make this phone call, like what's the end goal? Like what do I want out of this phone call?
Yep.
Right? Because if you understand how to take somebody from point A to point Z, so to
Okay.
speak, then you'll kind of navigate that. And I think, um, you know, learning, there's so much training out there on objection handling. Like somebody that I follow is Jeremy Miner,
Hmm.
right? So I think somebody can build their belief in themselves, right? So that's one of them, belief that you can actually do. And I think if you follow guys like him and you learn how to say the right words at the right time, he teaches a lot about emotions and how different words trigger different emotions.
Okay.
Um, really like deep down, like just understanding um all of the this is what it takes to get a client to the end of the phone script, right? And
Yeah.
then when you're actually running an appointment and you care about them and you understand like mentally that like, this person needs my help and you connect with them on that personal level,
Yeah.
then you're not doing anything other than helping somebody, right? But like that's a place in your mind. Like so many people are only thinking about themselves and like they're afraid that I think or that you don't think I speak well or whatever it is, right?
Yeah.
Like
Yeah. That could
care
affect.
about that, right? You care about, is Emmanuel being taken care of, right? And how can
Definitely.
I best help you? So I think they're just focused on themselves internally and they're not focused on the outside.
Yeah. Okay.